Here I have POCO M3 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to hide albums on this device. So firstly you have to open Gallery, then go to the Albums section, then select album which you want to hide, for example this one, and then just tap Hide and confirm. And what a miracle! Where is this album? Where did it disappear? No idea. So to find this album, tap here, go to the settings, and then view hidden albums. Here you can view this album, or you can unhide it here. And now you will see it in the album section again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.